Hello and welcome to 19 Bass Street here in Port Hacking. With room for all the toys and 6 bedrooms, this is one you'll want to see.
I love the open plan layout. You can stand in the kitchen and watch the kids play in the backyard. This place is ready to move in. How good is this kitchen?
The living space opens to this great entertainer's balcony which overlooks the backyard. Look at the size of this yard. It's incredible. I'd love to live here.
Upstairs is a haven for the kids. They've got huge bedrooms, this sun-drenched rumpus, and looks out over the leafy backyard.
So you've seen this beautiful home. Now it's time for me to show you the lifestyle you'll lead living in Port Hacking.
With access to the Port Hacking literally at the end of the street, you can take the boat out, the jet ski, or spend a day fishing with the kids. You're also close to schools, cafes and parks. It's the ultimate family environment.